So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can check recently watched reels on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. After this, tap on this Reels tab. Now there's a very high chance that the reel you have watched recently will appear here. In case if you don't see it, then there are few other ways to check recently watched reels on Instagram. For this, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now here, tap on this menu icon. Now this will open Instagram settings. Here tap on your activity. Now from here, you can see posts and reels you have recently interacted with. For example, you can see the reel by the likes, comments, notes, tags, etc. If you have liked the reel you have recently watched, then tap on likes. And you should see the reel here. Now go back. In case you made a comment on a reel, then tap on comments. And now you will see all the comments you have made on the post and the reels. So these are some ways to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.